Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed associative property. In this video we will learn how to solve when two or more same operations are given in a sentence. Today our topic is two or more operations in a sentence. If we have sentences with two or more subtractions, two or more additions, we move from left to right to solve the sentence. Let's take an example. In the given sentence, there are two same operations. We will start from left. We will subtract 5 from 15. If we subtract 5 from 15, we get 10. And we will write the next digit as it is. From 10 we will subtract 2. If we subtract 2 from 10 we get 8. I repeat, when there are two same operations given in a sentence, we start from the left. Let's take another example. In this sentence we have two same operations. And when there are two same operations given in a sentence, we start from the left. We will multiply 8 and 5. 8 into 5 we get 40. 8 into 5 we get 40. And we will multiply it with 2. 40 into 2 we get 80. 40 into 2 we get 80. Let's take another example. In this sentence, we also have two same operations and we will start from left. We will divide 100 by 10. If we divide 100 by 10, we get 10. 10 into 10, we get 100. We will divide this 10 by 5. If we divide 10 by 5, we get 2. 5 into 2, we get 10. Let's take another example. We have to add 100 and 100 and then we will add 300 in it. As we have two same operations in this sentence, we will start from left. We have to add 100 and 100. If we add 100 and 100, we get 200. And then we will add the remaining number, that is 300. Now we will move towards the next number. We will add 200 and 300. If we add 200 and 300, we get 500. Let's take another example. We have to divide 64 by 8 and then we will divide the answer by 2. There are two same operations, so we will start from left. We will divide 64 by 8. If we divide 64 by 8, we get 8. Now we will divide this 8 by 2. If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. 2 into 4, we get 8. If we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. Now we will multiply 10, 5 and 2. As there are two same operations in this sentence, we will start from the left. First of all, we will multiply 10 and 5. 10 into 5 we get 10 into 5 we get 50. 10 into 5 we get 50. And we will multiply it with the remaining number, that is 2. 50 into 2, it's 100. 50 into 2, we get 100. Let's take another example. From 60 we will subtract 30 and from the answer we will subtract 10, as we have two same operations in this sentence. From where we will start? We will start from the left. From 60 we will subtract 30. If we subtract 30 from 60, we get 30, and then we will subtract the remaining number from it. From 30 we have to subtract 10. Now students, subtract 10 from 30 and tell me the answer. We get 20. From 30, if we subtract 10, we get 20. Here we have another example. In 45, we have to add 10 and then we will add 5. As there are two same operations, we will start from left. In 45, we will add 10 first. In the first step, we will add 45 and 10. If we add 10 and 45, we get 55. In 55, we will add the remaining number, that is 5. In 55, if we add 5, we get 60. In 55, we will add 5 and we will get 60. In this sentence, we have the same operation. So we will start from left. From 18, we will subtract 4. From 18, if we subtract 4, we get 14. And then we will subtract 6 from it. From 14, if we subtract 6, what we will get? From 14, if we subtract 6, we get 8. In this sentence, there is also the same operation. We will start from left. From 75, we will subtract 15. From 75, if we subtract 15, we get 60. From 60, now we will subtract 20. From 60, if we subtract 20, we get 40. In this sentence, there is division symbol. Same operation is given twice. We start from the left. First of all, we will divide 28 by 7. If we divide 28 by 7, we get 4. 7 into 4, we get 28. Then we will divide it by 2. If we divide 4 by 2, we get 2. If we divide 4 by 2, we get 2. In this sentence, same operation is given twice. In this case, we start from left. First of all, we will divide 49 by 7. If we divide 49 by 7, we get 7. 7 into 7, we get 49. Now we will divide this 7 by 7. If we divide 7 by 7, we get 1. If we divide 7 by 7, we get 1. In this sentence, same operation is given. In this case, we start from left. First of all, we will divide 100 by 10. If we divide 100 by 10, we get 10. Now we will divide this 10 by 5. If we divide 10 by 5, we get, yes, if we divide 10 by 5, we get 2. In this video, we have discussed how to solve when two or more same operations are given in a sentence. In the next video, we will learn Demar's rule. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.